Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to make a landing page for Google Ads. Stick around until the end to learn the steps you need to take to craft your compelling landing page that drives conversions and maximizes your Google Ads investment. First, you need to open systemi.io in your web browser. System.io offers various pricing plans, but for our purposes, we will focus on the free plan. This plan provides you with all the essential features needed for a successful landing page, including 3,000 contacts, unlimited students, blog posts, and email sends. Additionally, you can create multiple funnels and benefit from one workflow and automation. It easily integrates with PayPal, Razorpay, and other assistants, ensuring smooth transactions. It also offers 3 paid plans with different features and pricing. Here is a detailed comparison of all its plans. Go ahead and choose one that suits you. To get started, simply sign up for a free account by clicking Get My Free Account. If you already have an account, just sign in. First, add your email address. After that, you need to confirm your email address by adding the confirmation code sent to you. So open a new tab and go to your Gmail account. Follow the instructions given in the email to confirm your email address. Next, add the password to continue. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard, where you will find all your pertinent information neatly organized. Now to create a funnel, simply click on Funnels located in the menu on the top. This will open a new tab where you can start building your landing page. Ensure that you have everything ready for your Google Ads campaign and the product or service you are promoting. When you click on Funnels, you will initially see an empty canvas. If you have created funnels before, you may see some listed. But for now, let us focus on creating a new one. Click on Create from your top right and choose the type of funnel you want. From these dots, you can choose to view, duplicate, share, deactivate, or delete your selected funnel. Building an audience is necessary for any landing page, as it involves collecting email addresses and growing your email list. Let us select the Create option and enter a name for our funnel, such as landing page or any other relevant name. Then add funnel domain and choose your funnel goal. Choose the currency, in this case, US dollars, and save your settings. Now, if you navigate back to the funnel section, you will see your newly created funnel. It will typically consist of a squeeze page and a thank you page. The squeeze page is where visitors provide their information, such as their email address, before proceeding further. Choose a suitable squeeze page template for your focused product. A template related to that niche would be ideal. First, preview the selected template to ensure it aligns with your goals and brand aesthetic. You can customize it further by removing any unnecessary elements or distractions. Once satisfied, your landing page is ready to go. Next, let us proceed by using the selected squeeze page template. Now we need to choose a thank you page template, which will be displayed after visitors submit their email addresses. Once selected, we are ready to begin editing. To edit the pages, simply click on the page you want to modify. On the right-hand side, you will find options like Edit Page. Clicking on this will open up the Website Builder or Page Builder interface. In the Builder, hover your mouse over each section to highlight it. You will then have the option to delete that section. For example, if you want to remove a section, click on it, and then click on the trash can icon. Now let us make some changes. On your left, you will get to see different tools that you can use to make changes. You can also add and remove text. We will replace the existing text with something like how to make money. Then you can adjust the color of the added text. Next, we can add a description explaining what you are offering or how visitors can benefit from your product or service. Below that, we can add additional content or a call to action. After making these adjustments, we can delete any unnecessary sections to streamline the page. For example, let us remove the section we don't need. Now the page is looking more focused. Change the text and all the contact info you want. You can also additional sections if needed. You can also choose to add elements like welcome, price plans, page headers, and others. Continue editing until you are satisfied with the layout and content. Step 1 involves prompting users to submit their email addresses. You can use a message like submit your email address at the top. Wait for our email to arrive. Click the link included and implement what you have learned from the provided resources on your channel. Additionally, you can remove unnecessary sections and focus on guiding users towards improving their financial lives. Below, in the footer section, You can customize it with your social media links, about section, or any other relevant information. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, save your changes. Moving on to the thank you page, ensure the message is clear and concise. For example, thank you for signing up. Check your email for a verification link. You can also provide additional resources or options like listing a video or selecting a plan if applicable. Customize it according to your needs and branding. Remember to set up follow actions for leads captured, such as sending subscription email campaigns and providing links to your products or website. This personalized follow-up can significantly enhance user engagement and conversion rates. Once everything looks good, your landing page is ready to go live. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.